everybody, and welcome back to the amazing show of Henry Haven Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria, the duration, and a lot more about the courses. Today in frame we have Vandana with us, who is going to tell us about the corporate law course that we provide. So hi Vandana, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
So tell us about, or brief us about what exactly is corporate law course.
Corporate law is exactly related with all the things that a lawyer are doing in a corporate.
Okay.
As you know, today students are very much clear, like
Exactly.
after their graduation, in which path they want to proceed.
Exactly.
Right? Not only LLB, even after LLB, you have different paths in front of you, like the aviation, you have immigration, you have the corporate, you can work as a commercial lawyer. So if you want to work in a corporate, you must know how the corporate lawyer is working.
Yes.
Right? So here we are providing some basic to advanced level knowledge in this course, so that student already having some clear information in their mind, like what they have to do in the same.
Okay.
So that when they will proceed for their work, for their job, so they will not be blank of mind. They will have the complete knowledge how to work.
That's amazing. So is there any eligibility criteria for this course?
No, especially mostly the LLB students, LLM students, and there are so many people who actually completed their law but they didn't started their corporate career, right?
Yeah.
And now if they want to start their corporate career, so they can also start the course.
So the law, what do you say? What is the preferred domain? Graduation is important?
No. Even the students can also do the same.
Okay, a 12th pass student can also enroll for this course.
Exactly, the 12th pass student who are actually looking for the law in their career, so they can join the same.
That's amazing. Such a beautiful thing about this course. So tell me about the job opportunities and job roles that opens up after the completion.
Of course, when we are doing any kind of course, so we have a number of opportunity in front of us, right?
Okay.
But we are doing that work in the corporate only,
Yeah.
right? So any LLB student or law student who want to work in the corporate law, he can do the drafting, he can handle some legal issues related with the same, right?
Okay.
Any number of opportunities they have available.
That's amazing. So, Vandana, tell me about that one highlight point that you think that Henry Haven has that no other edtech company has.
The thing is, here you are not learning theoretically, you are getting some projects, some real-time projects you will also get. You are getting internship with us, right? So when you're working on the real projects, you are doing some real case studies. So of course, you will have the complete information, complete real information of the internal industry.
Okay, so fully practical knowledge is given, and we also provide the internships.
Right.
And tell us about the job support that we give.
Of course, we are providing 100% placement support if you are last year LLB student, right?
Okay.
Or you already have some experience, you completed your graduation, you will get 100% placement support from our side.
And tell me, my last question to you, tell me about the globally accepted certificate that we provide.
Henry Haven is providing a globally accepted certificate which is affiliated by MSME Government of India, American Association of EFL, UK CERT, UKAF, right? Because of course you don't know in future where you are going, right?
Exactly.
If you are applying for the government job, this certificate you can use. If you are applying for the MNCs, if you have some plans to shift abroad, of course, you can use this certificate anywhere.
That's amazing. So guys, if you also want to work abroad, come and enroll for this amazing course. Thank you so much, Vandana, for coming and joining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Haven. Thank you.